In this video, we're trying to see if there's a sound difference or quality difference when having a phone connected to an Audinate USB-C adapter or to a Audinate Bluetooth adapter. In this setup, both adapters are connected to my Sound Devices Scorpio on channels 11 and 12 and 13 and 14. You might be able to see it. And currently my phone is connected via USB-C to the Audinate adapter. Here's the USB-C Audinate adapter. The USB-C adapter has the advantage that it charges the phone while in use, whereas the original USB adapter could not do that. And currently that Audinate adapter runs into my switch here under the control surface, the ICANN control surface, and then it runs into the Sound Devices Scorpio. I have a remote phone connected, this one here, and I'm using a regular TRRS input headset, and I'm trying to give you an impression how that sounds. Hold on. So this is the sound from the USB-C adapter. Without any real post-processing, I have activated some compression, no EQ, and depending on the voice, it might be beneficial to have an EQ if you have, for example, too much sibilance. Now we have that, we can switch to the Bluetooth adapter. We do this by unplugging the USB-C and selecting the Dante AVIO Bluetooth adapter from the menu. So now I will switch back to the call, and now we hear the sound from the Bluetooth Audinate adapter. Again, same level of compression is applied. There is no EQ activated, and we are talking in a completely untreated room. And actually, it's a windy day, and it seems I left the window open, so excellent sound conditions. But this should be sufficient for having a quick comparison between these two devices. And now I'm back on my normal microphone, not going via the telephone, directly talking into the Sound Devices Scorpio. So this was a quick comparison between these two devices, Audinate Bluetooth adapter and an Audinate USB-C adapter. You may choose for yourself what sounds better. Of course, the used TRRS headset doesn't really have a very good sound at all. So the question is it audible at all? On the other hand, you will never be able to really ensure what kind of microphones your remote callers will use. So this might be a very real-life test on how you get a sound from a remote telephone call into a recording via Dante Audinate adapters.